Baristas spend years honing their craft to make cafe quality coffee. But all the hard work is done for you with the Barista Touch. There's a clever touch screen that lets you simply swipe and select from a range of cafe favorites. The Barista Touch then guides you through each step with ease. It lets me customize a coffee so it's just the way I like it. Stronger, weaker, hotter, cooler, frothier, or not. Then it lets me choose my own icon, name it, and then save it as a favorite. Nice. I'll show you how easy it is to use. Let's make a latte. The Barista Touch with its built-in grinder lets me grind on demand, so you capture all those delicate aromas like any good cafe. It precisely controls the dose, so all you need to do is tamp and trim, just like a pro. I just collapse the grinds into the portafilter before using the tamper and applying firm pressure with a slide twist to finish. Then I use this razor to trim for the perfect dose. It makes black coffee as great as milk coffee, creating a great Americano with just a few simple steps. Easy. Now it's time to brew. Precise water temperature and the right pressure at the right time are the keys for a balanced tasting espresso. The difference between a sweet or ashy tasting espresso can be as little as 1 degree in the extraction. This machine uses advanced PID digital temperature control, the same as any high-end commercial espresso machine. The very best commercial machines use low pressure to gently expand the grinds, prior to full 9-bar pump pressure. So does the Barista Touch. That's how the perfect espresso shot should look. It flows from the portafilter like warm honey. Finally, let's texture some milk. Now this is where everyone struggles. It's a mix of art and science that takes years to master. Not with the Barista Touch. When you're creating microfoam milk, you need to control temperature and texture for the drink you're making, which is tricky. But now both are controlled for you automatically. You can still adjust both temperature and texture to suit your own taste. Look at that silky texture and finish to the milk this machine creates. Just like a pro. Without this microfoam, milk is likely to sit as a layer on your espresso and lack that full body taste. Microfoam milk entraps the oils of the espresso to create a sweet, balanced flavor with a rich mouthfeel. And there you have it. The perfect latte made with the Barista Touch. As good as one made by your local barista. The Barista Touch, cafe quality coffee at your fingertips.
How you start your day defines the rest of it. And the Saeco Xelsis knows how to start yours. The variety and easy customization of the Saeco Xelsis are perfect for a day filled with the same. Select from over 15 varieties of exquisitely crafted world-class coffee drinks, each customizable to your individual taste with the coffee equalizer. "15 exquisite coffee drinks, easily crafted to your taste."
For many people, cafe-quality coffee made easy and effortlessly at home is simply an enigma. Let's take a look at the new Oracle Touch. It's the next generation of fully automatic espresso machines. Let's jump in and see how easy it is to use. There's a clever touch screen. You simply swipe and select your favourite coffee. It guides you through on how to make it. I can even save my own favourites and name them. Love it. Let's make a latte, shall we? I'll show you how easy it is. This is a portafilter. Most espresso machines in cafes have one. Without this, you just can't replicate cafe quality coffee at home. Grinding, dosing and tamping can be tough, even for a seasoned pro, but this machine does it automatically for you. Precise water temperature at the right pressure and the right time are the keys to a balanced tasting espresso. The difference between a sweet or ashy tasting espresso can be as little as 1 degree in the extraction. This machine uses advanced PID temperature control, same as the espresso machine in my cafe. Now it's time to brew. The very best commercial machines use low pressure to gently expand the grinds prior to the full 9-bar pump pressure. So does the Oracle Touch. Take a look at this perfectly prepared espresso shot. It flows from the portafilter spout like warm honey. Finally, let's texture some milk. When I'm texturing milk, I need to think about temperature as well as the texture for the drink I'm making, but now both are balanced automatically. This is where most struggle at home, but the Oracle Touch creates true cafe quality microfoam. Without this microfoam, milk is likely to sit as a layer on top of the espresso and lack a full body taste. And it even cleans itself. Microfoam milk entraps the oils of the espresso and creates a sweet and balanced flavour. Now that's cafe quality without compromise. This truly is the next generation of fully automatic espresso machines. The Sage Oracle Touch.